We will be presenting on this video a new Haemoband Surgical product. This product provides help for endoscopists to perform colonoscopy with a lot less discomfort to the patient, in shorter time and with a reduced effort. We call this product the Cologuide. During the testing period of the Cologuide, we have noticed its value in helping the experienced clinician, its positive effect of refining the colonoscopy skills for the developing clinician, and its role in cementing the basic skills for colonoscopy procedures to the novice endoscopist. Cologuide shows the clinician what he or she needs to know, the acuity of a bend and looping, and then, if the maneuver adopted is in the right direction, to correct the shape of the scope. To activate the sensor, you pull the plastic strip, and then there will be a continuous blue light for the sensor to start, and it shows on the screen that the sensor has been activated. Then the sensor is biopsy channel, using short steps so we don't bend the sensor and cause any damage to it. The sensor goes down to the tip of the colonoscope, but it does not come out of it. So we are in the rectum, and it's showing the angle because it started to go into the sigmoid colon, and we can see it there in the mannequin, and I can try to straighten it by what we learned in our maneuvers, and I try to put in again. Needs more. So it's fairly straight now. Our experience showed us that if the operator starts responding to the sensor by correcting all bends as soon as they develop, the procedure becomes a lot easier and faster. Cologuide can be used with any make of colonoscopes. It uses Bluetooth to send the data, so can be safely used in patients with cardiac pacemakers and on or in the vicinity of pregnant ladies. The sensor goes into the biopsy channel, it's usually 3.2 millimeter or larger, when the clinician decides to use the Cologuide. It can be extracted and reintroduced as the clinician needs. I'm still trying to maneuver the colonoscope. Now it's straightened. The small board at the end of the sensor can be cut off the rest of the body of the sensor and disposed of according to local guidelines, as it contains bottom batteries. So I don't have the support of the anterior abdominal wall. Still try to make it as straight as possible. If I turn it this way, that's not the right way. Turn it this way, so that's the straight inside. The procedure is going to be conducted on a mannequin, where the degree of difficulty of the procedures can be controlled. We chose a fairly difficult setting to demonstrate the function of Cologuide with redundant sigmoid and a transverse colon. So we kept it straight. The cameras are set to show simultaneously what is happening to the colon inside the abdomen, what the Cologuide screen shows, and what the clinician does. The sensor is a one-time use disposable product. No large capital investment needed to purchase the system. And for any further inquiries, please contact Haemoband Surgical Limited.com.